Hello my creative friends, welcome to another video on Kelly Ripple's designs. Yesterday I was going through some of my old pictures and saw marigold flowers on the balcony of my home back in Pakistan. These flowers have always been special to me because they are my mother's favorite. Seeing those pictures made me a bit sad but also brought a smile to my face as it brought back the memory of those beautiful moments from my childhood. Today I want to plant a marigold flower on canvas in a fluid way. It is going to be interesting and honestly I'm not sure how it will turn out, but this is part of fun, isn't it? So let's get into it and see how this marigold inspired rainfall turns out. First color I am going to add is metallic orange. Next I am adding olive green. Next is Indian yellow. And then process yellow. And now I'm adding metallic green. Repeating the colors. Here at this point reality struck me because I thought I kind of messed up by adding two complementary colors right next to each other, as green and orange can give a muddy brown color. So I decided to create a barrier between them, and that can be done by adding an opaque color in between. And what can be better than a titanium white? It slightly lightens up the paint which is right next to it if added in small amount, but still acts as a perfect barrier between two complementary colors. This also applies to transparent or semi-transparent colors if you don't want them to overmix. I also use the same method while pouring out the colors in a cup for my dirty pour, in which I use jungle palette. You can watch it if you haven't by clicking on the link on the right corner. So my cup is full and it is time to pour. So what happened was the metallic orange color I used was a bit denser, that is why it appeared at the end of the pour. If I had used a regular orange paint, it might have appeared throughout the painting. This is the beauty of fluid art. You don't get every time what you anticipate. But look at those patterns. It has so many beautiful shades, and if you see closely, the pattern I got here is super cool. And the orange in the center is making it even more beautiful as it is representing the center of a flower. Surrounding it are radiant rings of yellow and olive green, mimicking the petals and leaves that give the flower its stunning look. Notice how the colors blend and flow together just like the petals of a flower. Though it is not what I had planned for, but it is even more mesmerizing. I would love to hear your thoughts. What kind of flower does this painting remind you of? Do you see the energy and warmth of a sunflower, or perhaps the cheerful brightness of a marigold? Share your ideas in the comments below and let's explore how art can transform and inspire us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more floral inspired fluid art. Till next week, bye bye.